Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 11. In the last 1 year, our country has witnessed historic and impactful economic reforms and policy making. In fact, India was one of the very few economies undertaking transformational reforms. There were two major policy initiatives, namely passage of the Constitution Amendment Bill for GST and the progress for its implementation, and demonetization of high denomination banknotes. The advantages of GST for our economy in terms of spurring growth, competitiveness, indirect tax simplification, and greater transparency have already been extensively discussed in both houses of parliament. I thank all members of both the houses for having passed the Constitution Amendment unanimously. I also thank the state governments for resolving all relevant issues in the GST Council. Demonetization of high denomination banknotes was in continuation of a series of measures taken by our government during the last 2 years. It is a bold and decisive measure. For several decades, tax evasion for many has become a way of life. This compromises the larger public interest and creates unjust enrichment in favor of the tax evader to the detriment of the poor and deprived. This has bred a parallel economy which is unacceptable for an inclusive society. Demonetization seeks to create a new normal wherein the GDP would be bigger, cleaner, and real. This exercise is part of our government's resolve to eliminate corruption, black money, counterfeit currency, and terror funding. Like all reforms, this measure is obviously disruptive as it seeks to change the retrograde status quo. Drop in economic activity, if any, on account of the currency squeeze during the demonetization period is expected to have only a transient impact on the economy. I am reminded here of what the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, had said: a right cause never fails. Demonetization has strong potential to generate long-term benefits in terms of reduced corruption, greater digitization of the economy, increased flow of the financial savings, and greater formalization of the economy, all of which would eventually lead to higher GDP growth and tax revenues. Demonetization helps to transfer resources from the tax evaders to the government, which can use these resources for the welfare of the poor and the deprived. There is early evidence of an increased capacity of banks to lend at reduced interest rates and a huge shift towards digitization among all sections of society. Thank you.